Got $100 and no idea what to do with it? Before you blow it on fast food or something random from Amazon, what if I told you that one decision with that $100 could change your entire financial future? Yeah, let's talk about investing. The beginner-friendly, not the boring kind. Seriously, you don't need to be rich to invest. You just need to start smart. Let me show you how. Welcome to your first step toward building wealth, even if you're broke. First, let's talk about why $100 is enough to start. Okay, I know what you're thinking. $100 doesn't feel like much. It's not enough to buy a car, or the new iPhone, or even groceries for the week. But in the investing world, it's enough to start building the habit. And that habit can change everything. Here's the secret. You don't get rich by investing a lot once. You build wealth by investing a little, consistently, over time. And that first $100? That's your spark. But hold up. Before we go full Wall Street with your $100, let's lay down a few ground rules. Number 1. Emergency fund. If you don't have at least a tiny emergency fund for unexpected stuff, like car repairs or medical emergencies, focus on that first. Even a few hundred in savings can keep you from selling investments at a bad time. Number 2. No high-interest debt. If you've got a credit card charging you 25% interest, that's basically financial arson. Investing can wait. Pay that down first. Number 3. Know your why. You're not trying to double your money overnight. You're building long-term confidence, not chasing hype. All right, now the fun part. Where should you actually invest your $100? Let's break it into 3 beginner-friendly options. Pick the one that fits your style. Option 1. The set-it-and-forget-it investor. Index funds and ETFs. This is for you if you want something simple and stress-free. Try buying a low-cost index fund or an ETF. They give you instant diversification, and they're backed by hundreds of the biggest companies. Apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, or M1 Finance are great places to start. And you can start with just $5 thanks to something called fractional shares. Option 2. The Curious Explorer. Individual stocks or thematic ETFs. Want to learn by doing? Dip your toes into picking stocks? Then explore fractional shares of companies you believe in, like Apple, Google, or Tesla. Or check out thematic ETFs, like ones focused on clean energy, artificial intelligence, or tech. But be smart. Don't gamble your whole $100 on a trendy stock you saw on TikTok. Start small, stay curious, and never invest in something you don't understand. Option 3. The hands-off helper, robo-advisors, and micro-investing apps. Too busy or overwhelmed to decide? Let the robots help. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront ask you a few questions, then invest your money for you in a diversified portfolio based on your goals. Or try a micro-investing app like Acorns, which rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. And now, a few pro tips to make that $100 work harder. Tip 1. Make it a habit. Investing once is cool, but doing it every month? That's when the magic of compound growth really kicks in. Set up auto transfers so it feels like a subscription to your future. Tip 2. Reinvest your earnings. Choose Reinvest Dividends when you set up your account. It lets your money earn money, and then reinvest that money to earn even more. It's like telling your money to hire more little money workers. Tip 3. Track, but don't obsess. Check in once a month, not every day. Investing is like growing a tree, not frying popcorn. Zoom out, think long-term. Next, a quick list of rookie mistakes you don't want to make. Don't invest money you'll need next month. Don't go all in on crypto with zero research. Don't fall for TikTok hype or get rich quick tips. And don't ignore fees. High fees quietly eat your gains. Stick with low-fee funds. Under 0.2% is a good rule. Remember, you're not just avoiding mistakes. You're building confidence. So, what happens if you invest $100 every month in something that grows at 8% a year? Let's do the math. After 10 years, you'd have about $18,000 from just $100 a month. Now imagine starting at age 20 and doing that for 40 years. You'd retire with over $300,000. From small steps, taken consistently. That's the quiet power of investing. All right, your mission today. Pick one app or platform. Set up your account. Invest just $10. Yes, even that's enough to start learning. Don't wait until you have more money or feel ready, because starting with $100 puts you ahead of millions of people who are still stuck in someday mode. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more personal finance tips and hacks. Let's make you wealthy. See you in the next one.